Good evening. I think that's how Hitchcock says it, right? I don't know. But anyway, hello, hello, and hello. My little intro. But okay, I'm recording. Good. Yeah. So, I have a movie request. Hence the black and white intro. It is The Birds. Now, I've only seen clips of this little movie, and not little. I ain't saying little. This is a 2 hour long movie. Anyway, so I want to get into this because I'm working on another one. What am I working on? I think this is Spider-Man. Right. Is that Spider-Man? Is that Andrew? Is he the werewolf? Good movie. Anyway, enough of that. So, I know what this movie is about. Do I even have to guess? Nah, I'm not going to. But, like these people do. Ugh, words. They're starting to scare me. Since, White House, they took out the Batman, Hitchcock. I'm not gonna do the filter thing. One, this is a 1960 movie. Wait, hold up. Back up. Is that... Did I just see a Rod Tyler? I thought it was Rod Sterling. Got super excited. I thought it was the dude from the Twilight Zone. Wait. Ah, don't have my phone. Good. Forget it. I get distracted too easily. Just, ask my work. No, I'm kidding.
Want me to order one for
The,
you?
Well, thank you.
What
oof,
name?
I can't even think of the word she's putting into this
I wonder if
talking.
you could tell me.
Hey, just hold it a minute, please.
I guess that's where everyone meets Mitch.
Now, you sound a bit mysterious, Miss Hayworth.
Do
That-
I?
Green screen.
I don't mean to. Actually, I'm an open book, I'm afraid. Or rather, a closed one. Oh, pretty. What are they?
Lovebirds.
I see. Good luck, Miss Daniels.
Thank you. Can I get out this way?
Go right around. It'll take you back to the main road.
Thank you.
Just really want to go visit Hayworth just to figure out the girl's name. Kathy. Yeah, the daughter's name. Kathy with a C, not a K, like I thought. That's some boat. God, she's gonna pedal? I thought Kathy Bates in Misery was like a major #1 fan. But this girl, I forget the fact, Kathy Bates, she like ripped the car door open. This girl, I think they would be best friends. What was Kathy Bates' character in Misery? Okay, to the house. I was kidding all those times, but geez, that is straight up stalker mentality. This woman needs to be stopped, like right away. Single white female level. No, wait. Other movie. Single white female. Misery. And what was the other one? The boiler rabbit. Fatal Attraction. That's you. You're the original. Watch your handiwork from afar. Oh, spot it. So you're not that good of a stalker. So what's your lead? Oh, okay. The birds are here to stop you.
That's the girl. Come on.
Who's single white
What
female?
happened, Mitch?
Gull hit her.
A gull?
Good reason, too.
Oh, let's try up at the restaurant, all right? Might need a tetanus shot.
I had a booster before I went abroad last May.
Booster. Single white female. Okay. So you done with the stalking crap? I hope.
What happened? Oh, Dee. Young lady cut herself. Should I call a doctor? Oh, I don't
No.
know. Is that serious? Let's see.
Birds. We're doing
Get
a
some
public
cotton in a minute.
service.
You cut yourself outside, miss?
Don't worry, Deke. She did it in a boat.
Well, I had a man trip and fall in the parking lot once. Sued me before I could bat an eyelash.
I don't think Miss Daniels is going to sue anybody.
Here.
Well, you're the lawyer.
Thanks, Deke.
What's that?
Just some peroxide. I'll clean out the cut.
She'll be super blonde.
So you're a lawyer.
That's right. Of course, I usually defend people, Miss Daniels, but if I were prosecuting...
Do you practice here?
San Francisco. What are you doing up here?
What kind of law?
Criminal.
Is that why you want to see everyone behind bars?
Oh, not everyone.
Yeah,
Only
especially
violators and
you.
practical jokers.
The
That's...
stalking.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. What are you doing up here?
Do
You
you
know.
see the lovebirds?
Stalking, breaking in.
Oh, you mean you came all this way to bring me those
Vacationing.
birds?
To bring your sister those birds. She said it was her birthday. Besides, I was coming up anyway.
Sure.
What for?
Yeah.
To see a friend of mine. Careful.
Oh, sorry.
Why don't you
Who's your friend?
drop a name?
Annie Hayworth, the school teacher.
Oh God.
Annie Hayworth.
I thought she was gonna say
Well,
Annie Wilkes.
small world.
Yes.
I just said, you know, he's gonna find out your lies eventually. Might as well say you were just bringing the birds up to him.
Hi. Hi.
Miss Daniels?
Yes?
Oh, they're beautiful. They're just what I wanted. Is there a man and a woman? I can't tell which is which.
Well, I suppose so.
Hello there. And he had no plans, huh?
No.
Fine. We're very glad you could come. You hungry?
Reasonably.
Dinner's just about
I
ready.
can't tell.
We've been out back
It's
looking
just
at the
a
chickens. Something seems to be wrong.
horror
There's nothing wrong with those chickens, Mitch.
bird
I'm
movie
gonna call Fred
or
Bigelow
horror
right now.
What good's that gonna
stalker
do?
movie.
Chickens won't eat.
Because grandma
He sold
just
the
gave
feed to me,
him
didn't he?
a look
Caveat emptor.
like,
Everywhere.
Whose side
know?
are you on?
don't trust this girl.
Never mind the law.
Calling the cops.
This won't
Cops.
take long.
Is that a lie, too?
I wrote the letter.
What did it say?
It said, Dear Mr. Brenner, I think you need these lovebirds after all. They may help your personality. That's what it said.
But you tore it up.
Yes,
Why?
Oh,
because it seemed stupid and foolish.
Like John.
Oh, I see.
So it ended. Not right then, of course. We went back to San Francisco, saw each other now and then, but we both knew it was over.
Then what are you
Yep.
doing here in Bodega Bay?
I wanted to be near Mitch. Oh, it was
Still?
over and done with, and I knew it, but I still wanted to be near him. You see, I still like him a hell of a lot. And I don't want to lose that friendship. Ever.
oh. You're not moving forward. That's
Hello.
sad.
Hello?
Well,
No, I wasn't asleep.
looks like
Yes, just a little
you're
while
both
ago.
stalkers.
Sure, hold on. It's Mitch. For you.
Hang up.
Hello? Oh, yes, this is Melanie. Fine, thank you. No, no trouble at all. I simply followed the road.
I like this shop.
There's no need to apologize. I can understand.
You can sense
Well, it's
a
very
little
kind
bit of
you. I'm not angry.
jealous envy from her. Annie Wilkes,
Well, I couldn't.
I
I
mean,
have to get back to San
hallway.
Francisco.
whatever her name is. Single white
No,
female.
I wouldn't want to disappoint Kathy, but I see. All right, yes, I'll be there. Good night, Mitch. He wants me to go to Kathy's party tomorrow afternoon. I said I would.
Should be fun. I'll be there too to help.
Oh, it seems so pointless. Well, I think I'll go to sleep. It's been a busy day. My luggage.
That's pretty. Where'd you get that, Brinkmeyer's?
Do you think I should go?
Oh, that's
Wow.
up to you.
I can't tell
No, it's really up to Lydia, isn't
if
it?
that was actually pretty
Never mind, Lydia.
or not.
Do you want to go?
Yes.
Then go.
No, I think.
Hey, if you really get the cake, I'm actually impressed. I was kidding.
I think so.
Is anyone hurt?
Well, Jenny got a scratch down her cheek, but it's nothing.
That makes 3 times.
Mitch, this isn't usual, is it? The gull when I was in the boat yesterday?
I feel safer with him here.
Would you like to rest now?
No, don't go. I feel as if I don't understand you at all, and I want so much to understand.
Why, Mrs. Brenner?
Because my son seems to be very fond of you. And I don't quite know how I feel about it.
Same way he felt about
I don't
Annie.
even know if I like you or not.
Oh, that's
Is that
nice.
so important
Opening
for
it
liking me?
with the hard truth.
Yes, I think so. Mitch is important to me. I want to like whatever girl he chooses.
So 4 years ago,
Perhaps if you don't.
same one, that other girl.
Well,
or coming around.
then I don't think it'll matter very much
That
to anyone but
explains
me.
why she wants
Oh, I think
to
it would
keep
also
her
matter to Mitch.
son to herself.
Mitch has always done exactly what he wanted to do. But, you see, I don't want to be left alone. I don't think I can bear to be left
Yeah.
alone.
Pretty much what I was expecting.
Forgive me. This business with the bears has upset me. I don't know what I'd do if Mitch weren't here.
Oh,
Why
it's
don't you try
okay.
to sleep now, Mrs. Brenner?
You just saw somebody got their
I
eyes
wish I was
pecked out.
stronger. Do you think she's all right? Do you think she's all right at the school?
Would you like me to go for her?
Oh,
I was gonna say,
couldn't ask
you
it.
could
Oh,
call
I don't
the
mind,
school.
really.
Would you? I feel so much better.
I'll go right now. Melanie. Thanks for the tea.
At least she's being civil. Ah, two possessive women fighting over a man. I hope people who are watching get that joke. Now it's gonna be a murder. Huh. Look at them. They're like, okay, so we get the blonde girl here first, who's not paying attention. Lady, do you not see the attempted murder behind you? Oh, no, it's a straight up murder party. Yeah, go inside, tell them the situation. You got a murder outside.
All right, children, now please put your songbooks away, then stand up alongside your desks. We'll go out to recess as soon as everybody gets ready. We are not going into the playground until everybody has quieted down.
Oh, you want to go to the playground? I don't think so.
I'm just telling you
Whoa,
what happened to one
a
of my
booze.
boats.
The girls were after your fish, Mr. Scholes. Really, let's be logical about this.
What were the crows after at the school?
You know. Oh, look. Nice little fire the bird's gonna start. Wow. These are real tactical birds, creatures. Such wisdom. They're gonna set the whole, dude.
Look at the gas. That man's lighting a cigar.
Take a look.
Hey, you! Watch out! Don't drop that man! Look out! Get on there! Mr. Ron! Watch out! Look out! Look out! Watch out!
He's done. Little one shot. I think the fire would be a lot bigger Birds admiring their handiwork. See me get that guy? Yeah. Look what they did. Stupid humans. Let's get them. Crows got to school. We'll take care of the diners. What are you doing? There's a phone inside. And you want to go right out here? Last window? Sure. That's smart. Because they haven't broken through glass. After a minute. Okay. Carry, kill. This is really cool shot. Okay. Hi. Like I said, where's that bird? X-bird. She still think they're making this up? Come on. What's your explanation?
Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? They said when you got here, the whole thing started.
Oh, you're gonna blame her?
Who are you? What are you? Where did you come from? I think you're the cause of all this. I think you're evil! Evil!
Good. She needed to be slapped.
I think they're going. We can get Kathy at Annie's now.
The crows again.
Yep. I even said crows are gonna patrol the school. I was joking, but alright. And just a FYI, a group of crows like that is called a murder. Oh, not Annie.
Oh, no. Stay here. Stay here.
I'm seriously upset. It's crazy. Oh.
Kathy! Where's Kathy?
Oh, right. Oh, okay. Yeah. You know, I want to say, like, that's her dad. Why'd you carry her out of that way? Why not go the— Oh, no. Don't do that. You're gonna piss them off. Wow. Honestly, wasn't expecting
Oh, don't
her
leave her there,
to die. Help him! Little girl, sick, useless, blonde, older woman, trying to help out the kid, the sick kid. And there goes the power. Right about when Night of the Living Dead have lost their power. Night of Living Birds. Okay.
They're going.
Are they? Are they, though? Little winged.
Hey,
But
Melanie's car, that'll
technically,
be fast at the
you
front.
can't even stay
Finish the bandaging?
in there. You got a bunch of them inside your attic. It's only a matter of time before they start pecking. That girl's like, yeah, put that hand right there. I don't know why. I thought that was cute. But it was. It's like, oh, it's okay. We messed up your truck already. Yep. We pooped on it. Among other things. You might want to start the car first. Roll up the windows.
And a few on Santa Rosa. Bodega Bay has been cordoned off by roadblocks. Most of the townspeople have managed to get out, but there are still some isolated pockets of people. No decision has been arrived at yet as to what the next step will be.
Okay.
But there's been some discussion as to whether
That
the
makes
military
sense.
should go in. It appears that the bird attacks come in waves with long intervals between. The reason for this does not seem clear as yet.
So, don't wait. Get going, like right away. I would not hesitate to get out of that area. Yeah. I know you guys trying to kill me, but I don't want to run you over. Maybe you should have. That's how it ends? Huh. Okay. That's actually kind of an interesting way to end it. But I actually kind of liked it that it ended right there. It was like, all right, so, you know, birds won. There's no way we can beat the birds. There's no explanation, no nothing. Birds won. They took over. That's it. I like it. Ooh, let me get the PowerPoint. Wait, that's a wrong one. Huh, I lost it. Anyway. Here we go. Alright, so. Alright, my thoughts on the movie. Story. Good story. Ended up being like a stalker story. Yeah, alright. That's cool. You know, it was kind of funny, kind of cute, quirky way characters. Well, hold on. Let me stick with the story. All right. So the fact those birds took over that island was pretty cool. The ending, I actually kind of liked. As for the characters, uh, they were all really good. I can't believe the one girl, Annie, died. And all right, so we get no clear explanation whether the bird expert lady, like her townspeople, did they all make it out? I don't know. Uh, but they were also good characters. Even tinfoil hat guy. Music? There wasn't much music, but the little bit that they had was really good. To the visuals. You know, the visual, the green screen. I know, this movie came out like years ago, but I still think the visuals hold up. You know, still look good, still could be considered scary. It was, you know, for what they did in their time, it worked, you know. I mean, can I see this movie being remade? Possibly. And honestly, I would like to see it being remade. Let's see. Can I full screen? Nope. Okay. Hold on. You know, I'm taking a class on PowerPoint, so I'm still kind of new to it. All right. Don't judge me. I'm learning. Yep. Anyway, so like I said, I think this movie could be remade if they keep it somewhat faithful. I mean, look what they did for it, the remake. Visually, that was okay. Music, I mean, did we really need music for the rock fight? Not really. But that's fine. Anyway, that's it. Till next time. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you find it. You know. So, good night, all.